Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn grammar lesson degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Degree of comparison means there is in this comparison adjective is important. Means adjective with the means things, person or any other thing we are compare with the help of adjective in the positive form, comparative form and superlative form. For example, positive, if the positive form adjective is tall, then comparative we are joining there er and superlative est. Means like this way these are the words in comparative. Means these are the adjective in positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, now see positive. If there is a positive degree, it is a simple form of the adjective. Positive degree is a simple form of the adjective. For example, these words eat, old, tall, new. These are the words which are tells us about the positive degree. If there is a comparative degree, it's used when comparing two things. It is mainly adding er to the positive degree. Means positive degree there is a simplest form, but if there is a comparative degree then we are joining er to the adjective. For example, older, taller, higher. Okay, means these are the comparative form of the degree. And if there is a superlative degree, here is we are going to compare more than two things. Okay, more than two things, mainly adding by est. Means to the positive degree. Means we are joining est to the positive degree. For example, tall is the positive degree, then tallest is the superlative form of the adjective. Okay, means for example, oldest, tallest, highest, newest. Okay, these are the superlative form of the adjective. And before the est form of the adjective, we are always use the. Okay, for example, the highest or the tallest, like this way, the oldest, the newest, like this way. Then see, here is given a chart, means that positive, comparative and superlative form of the words, and if there is, means how many syllables are there, means it depends on the, see, for example, if there is a one syllable, adjective er and est are added. Okay, means if there is a one syllable, then we are joining to this word er and est. For example, old. Old is the word that old means o. Only one syllable is there. And that's why we are joining in comparative form er and superlative form est. For example, wa is means a. A is the syllable. Okay, and that's why we are joining er and est in comparative and superlative form. Okay, if there is a two syllables, more than means most two syllables are there, that time we are not joining er and est. For example, the word is famous. Famous means two. A and a are the two syllable, and that's why in comparative more famous and in superlative most famous. Like this word careful, see, K A and who means u, means two syllables are there, that's why also there is, we are not writing carer or carest, we are writing more careful or the most careful, means in comparative and superlative form of the adjective. Okay, then some words are two syllables. Okay, two syllables, but that are adjective that end with that adjective there is y, and with this adjective there is I, but that time it contain, if you are, means because y change into I, that time that contain two syllable, and that's why we are writing bg, y is there and y change into I in the comparative and superlative, then we are writing there er and est to the, if there is a y at the end of the adjective. If there is some two syllables adjective are used, we are writing there means some words are there, most clever or more clever. Okay, like this way, or gentle, more gentle, or most gentle, like this way. Or also if there is a word friend, then also we are writing there. Means these are some words. See, here is given some words which before that we are writing more and most. Means before this adjective we are writing more or most, means in comparative and superlative form. For example, able, angry, clever, friendly, gentle, handsome, narrow, pleasant, polite, quiet, simple, sour. Means these are the some words. Before these word we are writing more or most in comparative and superlative form. Also there is some words more and most used with long adjective. If there is a long adjective like important or beautiful, okay, before that also we are writing more and most in comparative and superlative form. And some adjective which are irregular. For example, good, better, best. Okay, because good, because comparative and superlative form of this word it is different, or bad, worse, worst, because these words comparative form means each form positive, comparative and superlative form which are the different, and that's why these are the irregular adjective. Okay, means these forms are different in comparative, superlative and positive degree. Okay, like this way. And then we are going to learn now some rules of the change, means degree of comparison. Now first rule we are going to learn, if a single quality is compared between two persons, more or most are to be used. Means if there is a single quality is compared between two persons, means two persons single quality is compared, that time we are using more or most. Okay. Now see, here is given a means example of comparative degree. She is wiser than her brother. Means it is wrong. What we want to write? Before the wiser we want to write the more, because there are single quality single quality which two persons are compared there. Means she, okay, and her brother. Means these are the two persons. And when two persons single qualities compare, that time we are using more or most. Okay. Means she is more wiser than her brother. Means it is the correct comparative form. And how we are writing if there is a superlative form, then how she is most wisest. Okay, means she is the most wisest girl. Means like this way. But here we are writing compare in comparative form. Okay. Then next rule is second rule. When two qualities of a single person or a single thing is compared, two qualities, but single person. In first rule there is one quality, two person. One quality, two person. Here two qualities, one person or one thing only, single thing. And that time more is used with the first adjective even it is a single syllable word. Means if there is single syllable word, then also we are writing more before the adjective. Okay, before the first adjective. Then see, here is given example. He is more wise than shrewd. Means more wise than. Two qualities. Which two qualities are given there? Wise and shrewd. These are the two qualities. Okay. And that's why we are writing there more. Means one person, two qualities. One person, two qualities. That time also we are using more. Okay. Like this way. Not wiser. Means he is wiser than. It is wrong. Okay. Or he is more wiser means wiser. It is also wrong. He is more wise than shrewd. Means when two qualities of a single person or a single thing is compared, more is used with the first adjective. Means wherever the first adjective, before that we have to use more. And then rule number 3. Remember that now double comparatives or superlatives are no longer used. Okay, means double comparative or superlative are no longer used. For example, see, these shoes are more preferable than those. It is wrong. But how we are writing? These shoes are preferable to those. Preferable to those. Means here we are not writing than. Okay. To. Preferable to. After the adjective we are writing there to. Like this way. These are the rules. Next rule we will learn tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.